Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Exam Point Notes. Today we are going to cover part 7 of class 12 biology chapter 6 molecular basis of inheritance NEET PYQs. Let's start. First question. Which one of the following serves as termination codon? Options are UAG, AGA, AUG, CGC. The correct option is option number B, which is AGA. Next question. Question number 2. Identify the one which causes mutation. Options are A. Cosmic ray, B. Colchicine, C. Crossing over, D. X-rays. The correct option is option number A, which is cosmic rays. Next question. Question number 3. Initiation codon in eukaryotes is A. GAU, B. AGU, C. AUG, D. UAG. The correct option is option number C, which is AUG. Next question. Question number 4. Initiation codon of protein synthesis in eukaryotes. A. GUA, B. GCA, C. CCA, D. AUG. The correct option is option number D, which is AUG. Next question. Question number 5. Because most of the amino acids is represented by more than one codon, the genetic code is A. Overlapping, B. Wobbling, C. Degenerate, D. Generate. The correct option is option number C, which is degenerate. Next question. Question number 6. Khurana's first deciphered the triplet codons of A. Serine and isoleucine, B. Cysteine and valine, C. Tyrosine and tryptophan, D. Phenylalanine and methionine. The correct option is option number D, which is phenylalanine and methionine. Next question. Question number 7. In the genetic dictionary, there are 64 codons as A. 64 amino acids are to be coded. B. 64 types of tRNAs are present. C. There are 44 nonsense codons and 20 sense codons. D. Genetic code is triplet. The correct option is option number B, which is 64 types of tRNA are present. Next question. Question number 8. Genetic code consists of A. Adenine and guanine, B. Cytosine and uracil, C. Cytosine and guanine, D. All of the above. The correct option is option number D, which is all of the above. Next question. Question number 9. Which one of the following is wrongly matched? Options are A. Operand structural genes, operator and promoter, B. Transcription writing information from DNA to tRNA, C. Translation using information in mRNA to make protein, D. Repressor protein binds to operator to stop enzyme synthesis. The correct option is option number B, which is transcription writing information from DNA to tRNA. Next question. Question number 10. Removal of RNA polymerase III from nucleoplasm will affect the synthesis of A. rRNA, B. tRNA, C. hnRNA, D. mRNA. The correct option is option number B, which is tRNA. Next question. Question number 11. If one strand of DNA has the nitrogenous base sequence as ATCTC, what would be the complementary RNA strand sequence? Options are A. ATCGU, B. TTAGU, C. UAGAG, D. AACTG. The correct option is option number C, which is AUGAG. Next question. Question number 12. Antibiotic inhibiting interaction between tRNA and mRNA using protein synthesis in bacteria is A. Tetracycline, B. Neomycin, C. Erythromycin, D. Streptomycin. The correct option is option number B, which is neomycin. Next question, question number 13. Amino acid sequence in protein synthesis is determined by sequence of A. rRNA, B. rRNA, C. mRNA, D. cDNA. The correct option is option number C, which is mRNA. Next question, question number 14. Which form of RNA has a structure resembling clover leaf? Options are A. hnRNA, B. mRNA, C. tRNA, D. rRNA. The correct option is option number C, which is tRNA. Next question, question number 15. During translation initiation in prokaryotes, a GTP molecule is needed in A. Formation of formyl met tRNA, B. Binding of 30S subunit of ribosome with mRNA, C. Association of 13S mRNA with formyl met tRNA, D. Association of 50S subunit in ribosome with initiation complex. The correct option is option number C, which is association of 30S mRNA with formyl met tRNA. Next question, question number 16. Anticodon occurs in options are A. tRNA, B. mRNA, C. rRNA, D. DNA. The correct option is option number A, which is tRNA. Next question, question number 17. In three-dimensional view, the molecules of tRNA is A. L-shaped, B. S-shaped, C. Y-shaped, D. E-shaped. The correct option is option number A, which is L-shaped. Next question, question number 18. The RNA that pick up specific amino acid from amino acid pool in the cytoplasm to ribosome during synthesis is called A. rRNA, B. RNA, C. mRNA, D. tRNA. The correct option is option number D, which is tRNA. Next question, question number 19. Which one of the following step of translation does not consume a high energy phosphate bond? A. Peptidyl transferase reaction, B. Amino alkyl tRNA binding to A site, C. Translocation, D. Amino acid activation. The correct option is option number A, which is peptidyl transferase reaction. Next question. This is the last question of this video. Let's see this. The process of translation is A. Ribosome synthesis, B. Protein synthesis, C. DNA synthesis, D. RNA synthesis. So this question is for you all. If you know the answer, do comment in the comment section. Let's end this video here. Thank you very much for watching the video till end. Stay tuned and subscribe our channel for the next part. Thank you.